Hi guys! I am here to teach and show you some of the basic formulas or function using the Microsoft Excel. So, what's the first thing we should do? First, of course, we need to open the program. Then, as you can see, the cells are still blank. Definitely, we're gonna fill it with data. So, we have here an example data or already made data of the grades of 10 students in a class for every quarter. You can see the names and the grades from first quarter up to the fourth quarter. And the column for total and final grades are still empty. So, we're gonna fill it later. Therefore, I'll teach you the simple and easy steps in summing up the grades of each student in just a flash. First, you have to click on the cell where we're gonna put the sum of the total. First thing we should do is to type on the equal sign, then sum, and the open parenthesis. Click on the cells or the range of the grades from first quarter to fourth quarter, and then enclose it with the parenthesis. After that, click the enter. Eventually, it will show you the accurate total of grades of the student. However, if you want to make the process faster, you'll just click the plus sign at the corner of the cell, then you have to drag it downwards. So, the total of the grades of the other students are all summed up. Now that we get the total grades of every student, we should proceed in finding the average of their grades. Type again the equal sign. Always begin with the equal sign because if not, the equation would not work by any chance. So now type the average since we are finding the average of each student. Type on the open parenthesis and click on the range from quarter 1 to quarter 4. And enclose it with the parenthesis and press the enter. The answer will show up. So if you are thinking that the result might be wrong, don't worry too much about that because Microsoft Excel is 100% accurate. Now, if you want to know the final grade or the average of every student in a fast way, you're gonna have to drag it like what I did before. By just clicking on the plus sign and dragging it below, the average is quickly calculated and shown up. And now that we know the final grades of the 10 students, we should now determine if these students passed or failed the subjects or the class. So we all know that a passing grade is 75% and above, and the failing grade is below 75%. There, we can determine now who passed and who failed. So as you can see, all students passed this school year. Just type passed and drag it downwards. From there, we want to count the remarks of the students on how many of them passed or failed by using the formula. First, we're gonna have to type the passed and failed below. So beside the cell, we're gonna type the equal sign again and type count if. Parenthesis, click on the ranges that we will count, comma, quotation mark, and type the criteria, which is passed. Enclose it with the quotation mark and parenthesis, and hit the button enter. There, you have the number of students who passed in class. Now, we're going to determine how many students failed by clicking again the equal sign, type count if, open parenthesis, the ranges, and the criteria, and the parenthesis, and hit the enter button. That's it. We already knew now the number of students who passed and who failed. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot on this simple tutorial.